Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 being unable to connect to EA servers. Alright, let's begin. When you see the connection failed or unable to connect to EA servers message, the first thing you should do is simply click retry multiple times. If you get placed in the queue, just wait. It may show a large number of players ahead of you, but the game will eventually load once the queue progresses. If retrying does not work, the next thing to do is check the server status. Open your browser and search for EA server status. Click the first official status page that appears. On that page, locate Battlefield 6. If the game status shows online, that means the servers are functioning normally, but they are likely experiencing heavy traffic because many players are trying to connect at the same time. In this case, keep retrying until you're placed in the queue. So that's basically how you can fix Battlefield 6 unable to connect to EA servers. That's it for this video. Thanks.